Hey guys, what's going on? Back here with a quick how-to video. This is going on for a 2004 Dodge Stratus. It's pretty much the same thing for most any other vehicles. The flickering on the dashboard, figuring out what the problem is with that. There's a couple of things that you gotta check first before you go spend big money on an alternator. Anyways, in this case, this is the alternator that we're gonna replace, but I will talk about the other things that could be the problem. So for this one, you need a 13-inch socket. I mean, not inch, but a 13 socket. And it only has 3 bolts and 2 plugs to the alternator, with the battery one and I imagine is a sensor. Keep in mind that I'm not a mechanic, I'm just a regular how-to guy, so take this information at your own risk. So it's pretty simple to remove. Actually, it only has the belt, like I said, the belt, the 3 bolts, the 2 plugs, and once you do that, you go down. Oh, first you remove the belt first, so you know, the tensioner. You need a 1/2-inch wrench to do it. So it's pretty simple. You just remove the battery, I mean the car tire, go underneath, and you'll see a little lip right there on the tensioner. That's where the 1/2-inch goes. So you just pull it down and that'll loosen the belt, but you do need a second hand, so get comfortable down there while you're doing it so you can make it easy. Anyways, after that, you do need to remove the 2 water hose that you see right here, so you could pull it out. But again, it's pretty simple. It's really not complicated at all. If you take it to a mechanic, they're gonna charge you like probably $300-400, but real simple. Anybody could do it, I think, I guess, maybe, who knows. Anyways, this is the old one. The new one is right there, so it sits right there. Literally, it's easy. Anywho, let's talk about the problems that could cause it first before you go spend money on the alternator. First off, clean your wires, your battery wire pull and your connector. Clean them both. Make sure it doesn't have no acid or rust or whatever it's called. Once you do that, check it out, see if it's still doing it. If it's still doing it, you still gotta check the one that goes to the alternator as well. Make sure it's also clean. And that is not making bad contact, like the positive touching any metal. Sometimes it will happen. If you have a battery that's underneath the car like this one and you don't have the cover, water can get into the battery, so it could be the battery messing up. So also check that out. So those are pretty much the 3 things that I know about that. But anyways, if all else fails, just go ahead, pick it up and throw it away. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more how-to and tech videos.